Alright, so if you guys remember this spot, this is where Sean and I used to train. It was abandoned. Don't worry, we're official. We got the strobes. So what we're doing right now is we are trying to find a bar for Sean's backyard.
On the hunt.
Because there was a bar here before they decided to rip everything up. And now we're just, you know, walking around.
There's gotta be somewhere. There gotta be a random bar.
Bro, they probably just emptied everything out already.
Yeah, well, it's just so
Oh wow, look at that.
crazy. This guy's literally speeding.
Technically, the gate was open, so we're not trespassing.
Oh, hey, what's up, Chimo?
There has to be something just left around, though.
Yeah, bro. Like, has to be. Oh my god, they blew up like everything.
You know, it used to be my job to run those things. So,
Yo,
I'm telling you right now, the key's probably in there. They usually don't take the key out. Actually, no, it used to be my job to run those. I didn't do the dirt stuff. I did the crane stuff.
some trash can.
Oh.
You see those guys over there?
Yeah.
It's like tree branches, right?
No, that's metal, bro. That's like that's where this building used to be. That's like all the like metal work for them branches. Bro, every single time, these people do not give a fuck. Every time we're here. They see us all the time. They're like, yo, steal it. I don't care.
What can you do? You think you could put it?
Bro, dig it in the ground. Imagine.
Put it right next to a tree.
Imagine that standing up like that in any scenario.
Have to be.
Some gates, bro. If we can get it in nice.
Yeah, just yo, what if you actually, what if you put it up against a tree like this, bro? You stand it up with the tree right here, and you could like
tape it.
And then you could be like, yo, because then you could do podcasts, you could do game, you could do a lot of stuff, bro.
Yeah.
Well, at least we found something, dude.
Feeling it out,
Yo, bro.
I don't think it's going anywhere.
Yo, do that again, dude.
I mean, it should be good.
Wow.
Yeah, okay.
That was sick, bro. Jeez. Woo. Sick. Dude. It looks really sketch, but when you think about it, it's so heavy.
It's locked in there.
It's so heavy, you know, so it's like, you think you could stand on it?
Good.
2, 1.
Yo.
Let's go.
How'd it feel?
Oh, good. I just can't believe we're doing flips off of this. I was not expecting. I was like, all right, you ready to go? Like,
So like, boom, land somewhere around here. I guess I can ground Kong to get the rest of the distance.
I don't even know what the heck your plan was here, but like, instead of like being like close here, if you think to anticipate that landing, and kind of like dive out, you know?
Yeah.
Run up just like with your steps a little bit more clean.
I gotta go out more on the. It's fucking rocks. Yeah. So it's like putting my hands down on that shit. Like I want to dive out, but like it's literally just fucking rocks I'm diving to.
Yeah, no.
I get 2 fucks and 1 shitty. They talk shit right behind my back. I do a backflip 360. I mix that trap rap with that backpack, then I ransack your city. I turn that shit up like I'm Waka Flocka. Flame for the kiddies, we go. What the fuck is a cosign when I got a flow 9 times better than a bro rhyme? I can blow mines with them cocaine, slow down. Fuck that, all the bro see is gold sign. Sitting on the gold mine, sure to say landmine. Calling all the shots now. I should get a landline. I'ma take my damn time like I'm on my lunch break. Quit my old job cause my boss was a fuckface. Hold up.
Hallelujah, I just found some fake today.
La-di-da-di-da-di, they just wanna party. But when shit like this in front of me, you know it's getting body-lobby. La-di-da-di-da-di, they just wanna party. But when shit like this in front of me, you know it's getting bodied of it. Hallelujah, hallelujah, I just found some faith today. I see you wildin', baby, that's that shit that made my day. And I've been beaming like, nah, nah, nah. You can't catch me, you can't catch me unless you run like wild. She said I'm the man, I told her, yep, I agree. I just made 100 grand, but I'd do it for free. They can call a bro so funky like the
Alright guys, thank you for tuning in to the vlog that was never going to happen, but it was random, and that's the best type of vlog there is. Spontaneous.
Because it's just like, it's like kind of like real life. We just came out.
Yeah, nothing planned, no plans.
Just doing what we're doing, and then just so happen to be able to
We can get out right there, bro.
a nice camera to record it. I can get out right here for sure.
Oh,
Here we are.
sick. All right.
That guy looked hella sad. What? Trespassing?
Word, it's been real. Adios. See you guys next time.